Whoa! Logan almost rolled your quad. Whoa! Hey guys, welcome back to Quad Nation, and as you can see, here's a quad that not too many of us are familiar with. It's the Polaris Phoenix 200. This quad belongs to Logan. Logan is a young man that lives next door to me, and his father bought him this Phoenix brand new. And from the very beginning, the Phoenix had trouble starting, idling, and under acceleration, it would pop and sputter and everything else you can imagine. So Logan's dad came to me and said, "Hey, Quad Nation, can you fix this quad and make it great again for my Logan?" And I said, "Yes, I will make sure to make this quad great again." Logan, I appreciate you giving me this opportunity to display your Phoenix 200 to the world. And I want to say thank you for trusting me with your beautiful machine. I will make sure I make it great again. All right, let's do this. On, switches on, pull the brake in, hit the starter. You'll hear once we start going, it doesn't sound healthy. It's popping and misfiring, and just wait until we get up a little bit faster. And also when we roll off the throttle too, it does a lot of popping and pinging. Now watch when we go full send from a dig. Oh, it wants to run right now. What the heck? Blah, 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 blah. Y'all hear that? Blah, 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 blah. Which I'm okay with the backfiring off throttle. That's not a huge... Oh, but did you hear that? That was backfiring in the intake now. That you don't want. Oh, see, when I rolled on the throttle, it just died like that. I don't like that. I do not like a machine where if you go from 0 to 100 real quick, it stalls out. That's obviously a fuel issue there. You want it to be crisp where you roll into it immediately and it pops off. Ready? Like that. Well, hell, I wish I got... Blah, 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 blah. I wish I would have got a video of it running like crap when I first got on it and was messing with the choke, because you guys just aren't going to believe me now. All I did was ride it like I stole it, and I got it running right. Now you can hear it does have a really rough idle. It shouldn't be that rough, but hey, at least it's idling. This is strange. This is really strange. But it is definitely running a little rough right now as far as the idle, but rolling under the throttle, I can't really complain. Whoa! Logan almost rolled your quad. Hold on, let's do this again. Come on, Quad Nation. There we go. Yeah. Wow, look at this one. Wow, Logan, you got a fast quad, Bubba. Yes, you do. Look at this, Logan. Wow. Logan, Logan, look at that. You got a sweet quad, buddy. See if it'll wheelie without me giving it much effort. Whoa, Logan! Guys, give it up to Logan in the comments. Let him know he has a great quad. Wow. Yeah. Nice. This thing is sweet, Logan. We're going to make it run smoother for you, Logan, okay? Well, guys, literally in 1 minute or less, I discovered probably what's going on. I took the intake lid off, and then as I was looking down at the carburetor, I realized, if you look real carefully, that boot on there, that line that's connected to the intake manifold is split in half and allowing sand and all sorts of other garbage right into the intake manifold. So I'm hoping that didn't cause too much engine damage, and I'm hoping that that mixture of air is what's causing it to run rough, because it's allowing extra fresh air right into the manifold in front of the carburetor, which would throw the whole air to fuel ratio off, causing it to run too lean and difficulty starting. Yes! We have made the quad great again. Oh, Logan, the power delivery is out of this world, and it runs so smooth now. We still get a little bit of backfiring. That is because of the way the induction system is. After further inspection, I realized that it does allow induction of cool air in front of the carburetor, allowing it to give a little bit of a pop there. Oh man, Logan, this thing rocks. All right, here we go, buddy. We're gonna full send it. You ready, buddy?